This is the extended half double crochet. I like to go up in size. I started my swatch, and I'll show you how to do it. So you yarn over and you insert your hook in the top 2 loops, and then you pull up a loop. You yarn over and you make your extension chain, your first chain, and then you finish your half double crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook and pull up, make 1 chain, and then finish your half double. And do it again. And as I'm doing this, look to see if you can see the chain that I'm making. And when you practice it, look to see if you could see that chain right there, right where my thumb is. That's going to be very important when we do foundation stitches, to be able to recognize that chain. So you see that chain that I just made. Finish your stitch. Let's do it again. Chain that I made, and finish your stitch. Yarn over, make 1 chain, and finish your stitch. I've got 1 more stitch to do. Now, let's talk about the turning chain. The turning chain for a regular half double crochet is 2 chains, and it depends on you or the designer whether you're going to use those 2 chains as a stitch or not. I don't like to use the 2 chains for the half double crochet as a stitch because I don't like to work into chains. But if you like to work into chains, that's fine. When you do an extended half double, your turning chain is going to be 3 chains. And again, to be consistent, I don't count those 3 chains as a stitch. You might, if you count your chain 2 for your half double as a stitch. Again, just be consistent.